Hello everyone, welcome back to my affiliates den, and I am here with a quick video about my commissions since the last video. It's kind of a commission update video. So before we get into that, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you could help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And for those of you who are new to this channel and don't know what my lead gen secret is, I'm going to explain that bit by the end of the video. So moving on to my dashboard, actually we're already there. So let me show you. First, I'll show you number of email. Uh, Number of contacts rather that I have collected from my lead gen seeker so far. 13,100 leads. These are the leads which were provided by my lead gen secret, and on a daily basis I started out with 100. Now I get 200 leads a day. All leads are vetted and permission based. People who are willing to receive emails about business opportunity offers. They have submitted their emails to different forms and survey forms and squeeze pages from where my lead gen seeker has collected all these emails. Let's just scroll, click affiliates here. Check out my commissions. Okay, my last video, this was the last commission that I received in the previous video, which was around 4 days ago. Since then, these are the commissions that I've collected so far. Now the RC ones are recurring commissions. These are the commissions from the sign-ups that I was successfully able to acquire last month, and they are still members of my lead gen seeker, so I keep getting $5 from their monthly fee. This is a brand new sale with an one-time offer update right over here, and this one here, $4, is a level 2 downline sale, and right after that I get another recurring commissions. So even when I am not making any sales or getting any signups, commissions from my last month recur, daily basis almost. See, it's 27, 31st, 2nd, well, every other day at least. And total I have made using this system, I made $352, and it's only speeding up because of recurring commissions. Next month I'll be looking at better numbers. I've already been paid out this much amount, and this is the amount which is left, so I'm just waiting for it to get a little accrued by the end of the month, maybe 25th, 26th. Last time I asked for a payout, it was 25th, I'm guessing. So I'll wait till 26th and see how much commissions I collect by then. Yeah, well, yeah, I'll just wait till 26th. So that's pretty much it for this video. For those who are new here, this is my lead gen seeker is an email marketing tool. Let me show you the tool. It's right over here, and this tool allows you to send unlimited rather, a number of emails once a day. You can promote whatever you want to promote through these emails, and the leads are, however, provided by my lead gen seeker. These leads are from people who are willing to receive emails about business opportunity offers. So Uh, they're very legit. If I show you my statistics right over here, uh, if you can see, these are the emails that I've sent in the past 7 days, maybe 10 days, and the click-through rate is really good. It's not super excellent, but it's not bad either. And I'm getting whatever sales that I'm getting through these emails. So, and at the moment, I am only promoting my lead gen secret. I tried promoting some other offers, but not that I didn't get any signups. I did a couple of signups, but I think I should be focusing on my lead gen secret because of the recurring commissions. Yeah, I tried promoting high ticket offers. That's good. I'm not criticizing or uh, being skeptical about it, but problem with high ticket offer is that it takes too long to close a deal or close a sale with high ticket offers, and it's just once you make a sale, you do get 1,000 or 800 or $500, but it's just the process of closing a sale is very lengthy and tiresome. So over here, I mean, $5 per sign up, and those $5 keep on coming in every month. So I think in the long run, this is going to be more viable uh, income stream compared to trying to promote something that rarely gets sold. So yeah, so that's my opinion. But if you're interested in this email marketing tool, I suggest you go to the description of the video, check out the first link, sign up from there, and if you try out for a month, you can then decide whether this is something that you want to continue or not. Because if you don't get a sale or you don't enjoy using this, and within a month you can ask for a refund. So that's that. So take care of yourself. I'm gonna end the video, and I'll see you guys next week.